Up first this evening, the discovery of a criminal hideout and the seizure of 6 illegal guns have forced the authorities to begin debushing Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine. As Jamaica Maitland reports, over the next week, the authorities will continue to remove trees and other vegetation.
Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine, a dangerous path for motorists, according to those who traverse the area regularly, is described as long, lonely and bushy. On Thursday, August 4, when one family was making their way into Kingston around 6 a.m., men with high-powered weapons walked across the major thoroughfare. Soon after, there was a police shootout, a criminal hideout unearthed, 6 guns recovered and 1 man shot dead. It's why the police called for the area to be debushed.
If we can have people with rifles, shotgun moving across the road like that, it creates a heaven for criminality. And we have found in the past several bodies dumped in that area. So it's an area that we need to debush.
A week later, those calls were answered. 1 mile, 100 feet on both sides being debushed.
When you hear police talk about criminals escaping the nearby bushes, these are literally the nearby bushes that these criminal elements have been escaping into. So, I mean, this is a big win.
It's being spearheaded by the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development through the National Cleanup Program.
But then the question they ask, what about the other section of the Dyke Road? That will get attention, but this area is what is deemed to be the critical area of the Dyke Road that needs immediate response, and that is what we are offering right now.
Dyke Road was built as a bypass for those going in and out of Portmore, so they would not have to use the Mandela Highway. According to stakeholders, it's long been forgotten by the government. President of the Sunshine City Chamber of Commerce, Norman Walker, says it's an open secret not to travel on Dyke Road.
That Dyke Road there now, we are saying to the business community to don't use it. It is a prescription for our security, and we can be better off not traversing that corridor at all.
Earlier this week, TVJ News contacted Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, about the maintenance of the roadway. However, he directed us to the National Works Agency. But according to the NWA, it's the municipal corporation that's responsible. We tried the mayor again.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable.
And what about streetlights? Well, the NWA says it doesn't install them on non-pedestrian roadways. For the police, however, having streetlights could help when they respond to calls from citizens. But for now, they're pleased with the debushing.
What is happening here now will provide us with an opportunity to have greater visibility, policing the area more effectively.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.